Hey guys, I know I'm kind of making this video for no reason at all because no one goes on my YouTube channel and no one follows me on Tumblr. But yeah, I'm a cat now because my friend Zach dropped my glasses in the road and got them ran over. And well, so they're broken now and probably lost in a magical place called Narnia. But yeah, so I figured I'd do this for Tumblr and YouTube because I really wanted to make a video for Tumblr. Don't even know why. On my YouTube channel, I'll probably put a link somewhere down there for my Tumblr. If you really want, go click on it. So, meow. My cat says meow. And yeah. Bye, Zach, if you'll actually watch this. I still blame you for the glasses. And yes, I know I'm strange and demented. But why'd you tell me that? Because it's kind of obvious. I mean, I'm dressed as a cat. For no reason at all. And I'm in a tie-dye shirt. Goodbye.